Hello, welcome back to my channel. Before we start, please turn on notifications to not miss any of my videos, and if you don't follow me yet, subscribe my channel to find a lot of hairstyle tutorials in retro style and lot of vintage inspirations, and here you can find new video every Friday. So today I will show you how I did this 50s inspired hairstyle, and my inspiration are from New Look collection by Dior, of course. This hairstyle is very elegant, very feminine, and it's very easy and very fast to do. So with this hairstyle you will look very glamorous on any occasion, and every day looks too. I think it's very beautiful and called French twist bun. So let's start. As always, foam rollers 22mm before sleeping. Video how I use them you can find in information below the video. Lightly brush my hair. Doing little bow front. For better holding, I'm using hairspray before teasing. Then create the wave and with your pins making shape I want. In the end I will remove them. Brush my hair at the back and starting to twist. You need to hold your hair up to do this. Before fixing, I am getting on the hair at the front and fixing my twist bun with bobby pins. The main goal is to hide them under the bun. Making my wave to look beautiful, Hairspray. You need a lot of hairspray. After drying, remove loopings. Now, to complete the look, I'm wearing some accessories. Pearl earrings and necklace are ideal for 50s. Also, as this is a look for special occasion, I'm using high glows. And I'm ready to go to the ball. This hairstyle is universal, and I like to do it also when I need to look elegant but have no time to do hairstyle, or when my curls don't want to lay good. If you want, you can add a hat to look completely like Dior's New Look. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed this hairstyle. Don't forget to like. Bye bye!